Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today we want to explore how to use selection shortcuts in Excel. Selection shortcuts in Excel are an indispensable asset for anyone looking to handle large data sets or perform complex data analysis tasks with speed and precision. These keyboard commands are designed to expedite the process of selecting cells, ranges, rows, columns, and even entire spreadsheets with just a few key presses. By bypassing the need for cumbersome clicking and dragging with the mouse, selecting shortcuts save time and significantly reduce the effort involved in data manipulation. Let us start with the first shortcut inside the sheet. So if we want to select a single cell, we just click on it and we have it selected. If we want to extend the selection by one cell to the right or one cell to the left, we press shift and then we can use the left arrow or the right arrow or the down arrow and the up arrow, of course. Yeah, we can we can mark all the neighbored cells, and here in row 13 I'll show you how to mark cells that are not nearby the cell that we have selected currently. Then we can also extend the selection to the last non-blank cell, which I can show you in the column of discounts, as we have some blank cells inside here. We just press shift, command and the down arrow, and as you can see it will mark all the data until the first blank cell. And if I want to go over it, I just press shift, command and the down arrow again, and Excel will jump over the non-blank cells. And if I press it now again, it will move to the next cell where a blank, or the next cell which is above the next blank arrow, and so on. Okay, then we can also select an entire row or an entire column, which is really useful. So if we want to select an entire row, we press shift and space. As you can see, the whole column is selected. And we can also select an entire column if we just press Control and space. So Control and space. And now our column is selected, as you can see there. We can also select the entire worksheet, or the table in this case. So we press Command and A, and we will select everything, or every cell that has some input in it, except for the table, as this is like a new worksheet for Excel. And if we want to mark the whole table, and normally you'll just have a table inside the worksheet in Excel, so it will then mark the whole worksheet, of course. You can also press Command A and you have marked the complete table except for the header row. You can also add some cells that are not directly next to the cell that you've marked right now. So therefore you have to click Command, and then you can click on the cells that you want to mark. For example, I want to mark this, I want to mark this, and I want to mark this and this and this and this. And yeah, then you can, for example, copy it or whatever you want to do with it, or you can make a calculation out of it. Whatever you like to do. And the last important shortcut for the selection shortcuts is the extend selection to start of the row shortcut. So you press shift, command and then the left arrow, and you'll get to the complete left of the row. And you can also do it for this one. If you go for the left, or for this one, then it will of course jump again to the first column of the table, as the table is like an own worksheet for Excel. And if you press the shift, command and the right key, you get to the right corner. If you press left again, you get to the first column of your table. And if I press left arrow again, I get to the left corner of my worksheet. Yeah, and that's basically it. This is the most important selection shortcuts that you'll need if you work with Excel. I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.